Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming GSD is enabled and your company GSTIN, tax type and state are correct in company features. This prevents mapping errors later. Once done, open the period you need and apply filters for invoices, credit notes, and reverse charge entries so only relevant records export. Then choose Gateway of Tally. Go to Display Right Arrow Statutory Reports Right Arrow GSD, pick the format JSON or Excel, and run export. Name the file clearly with period and company code before moving to the next step. Now you map and validate the exported file so imports don't fail. First, scan a few invoices. Confirm invoice numbers, GSTIN, taxable values, and tax amounts match tally records. This explains most rejections. Next, load your destination's import template and map column names, invoice no, date, taxable value, IGST/SGSD, place of supply, and adjust formats like DDM/MEI if needed. Finally, resolve rounding, negative, or reverse charge flags and save a cleaned copy. You're at the finish line. Upload the clean JSON or Excel into the GSD portal or your target accounting software and run the built-in pre-check. The system will flag missing GSTIN or format errors. Once imported, reconcile totals, taxable value, and each tax component against tally ledgers to ensure filing accuracy. If you hit errors, focus on 3 quick fixes: confirm file schema and date format, verify every GSTIN, and search for duplicate invoice numbers. Correcting these resolves most import failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.